Oh, an area of low pressure continues to rotate through the area. You can see the big counterclockwise spin here. Rain making its way back in after a brief lull, and that line approaching Cleveland right now, that has some gusty winds with it. Not severe, but we've had some reports of 30 to 40 mile per hour winds, so heads up Harriman there in portions of Roane County, also Lenoir City, Loudoun County, all the way down through Min and Monroe over the next hour. It just went through Crossville, and this is what live look. Look at the I-40 sign moving back and forth. American flag is wrapped around the pole there. It has been quite windy there. So again, we could easily be seeing some 30, 40 plus mile per hour winds as this line pushes through. So if it was Monday trash day, hopefully you've brought in your trash cans. Now, this is our storm tracker. It's our future radar product. That line, again, will make its way through portions of Loudoun County, Anderson, and Roane County within the next hour. So this is about 20 minutes after 8. That line will be making its way closer to Knoxville, I'd say, after 8:30. So we'll keep an eye on this over the next hour or so. Otherwise, look at temperatures. Well above the freezing mark. Some mid to upper 40s in Kentucky and on the plateau, but mid 50s elsewhere. Why is that important? Well, once this system moves through, watch between 7 o'clock and 9 o'clock tonight. That's when these gusty winds move through. But on the backside of this, some colder air tries to come in. This is midnight. I'll stop it again very briefly here at 3 a.m. Temperatures are getting close to freezing, but the most of that moisture has started to move out. So there's a narrow window, about a 3-hour window, where some across the plateau into Kentucky could see snow. But notice by 7 a.m. it's gone, and that's when temperatures get closer to the freezing mark. So we don't expect this to be a huge snow event. We could see some 1 to 3 inch totals across the highest peaks in the Smokies above 4,000 feet. 441 just closed, obviously, not a surprise there. But some 1 inch or less totals across portions of our plateau into Kentucky. But with surface temperatures being so mild today and barely at freezing tomorrow, limited travel impacts. Look at our forecast pavement temperatures as we go into early tomorrow morning, 4 a.m. Most of this moisture is gone, and we're barely close to the freezing mark. It's only closer to daybreak that we see that. So yeah, there could be a elevated bridge or an overpass that could be on the slick side, but the majority of these snow accumulations for our plateau, Kentucky counties, we're talking about grassy areas, car tops, rooftops, and the majority of roads are looking okay at this point. Whatever does fall won't last long. By lunchtime, it will be gone as temperatures are rising rapidly through the 40s, close to 50, and probably seeing some afternoon sunshine as well. The rest of the week looks mild, mid to upper 50s, if not near 60, but a little cooler as we start the weekend. That front coming through Friday night into Saturday has limited rain with it, but it will be breezy and getting colder. Highs only upper 40s Saturday and close to 50 by the time we get to Sunday. Bo?
Ken,